Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your science teacher. I am Shagufta Makpool. Please open this book, Cambridge Inspiring Science of Grade 1. You are seeing this book is here. Please open page number 70 of this lesson, We Need Air. Reading of this lesson has already been delivered. Activity of this lesson has already been done. Today I am going to revise, fill in the blanks of this lesson. Blanks are given here. Before starting these blanks, I am going to revise main points of this lesson. After revising main points of this lesson, you will be able to fill these blanks by yourself. So let's start. My first point is we can't see air, but we can feel it. When air moves, we can feel it. All living things need air to breathe. Moving air is called wind. Look at here. This is wind. Moving air is called wind. This boy is flying kite with the help of air. When the air moves, it is called wind. Moving air is called wind. Air is useful to us in many ways in our daily life. Strong wind along with rain causing damage is called storm. Look at here. This is storm. This is storm. You can see this tree. This storm is going to uproot this tree. Such a strong wind is called a storm. It damages trees, crops, buildings. You are seeing. This is called storm. So, what is the meaning of wind? Moving air is called wind. And what is the meaning of new word space? It's mean empty area. I am sitting in my room. You are sitting in your room. The space that around you, this is an empty area. Look at here. Look at here. I am waving my hand. It is empty area. It is empty air. This area is also filled with air. And what is meaning of breeze? This is new word. Gentle moving air. Gentle moving air. It's mean not strong. When the air is moving, when it is not strong, breeze is not strong. So we can say gentle moving air is called breeze. Storm. Strong wind along with rain that cause damage. You are seeing this is storm. This is storm. Now let's start filling the blanks of this lesson. First blank is gentle moving air is called. I told you what is gentle moving air is called. Gentle moving air is called breeze. This breeze is not strong. B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. This breeze is not strong like storm. Next one is strong wind and rain causing damage is called like this way. This rain is going to damage. Look at here. This is called storm. So we will write here. This is storm. S-T-O-R-M. Now let's start filling the blanks that are given on page number 71. Look at here. A part is given here. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. Two options are given here. We will have to select one option after reading this. I am reading. This is number 1. Blank is here. First blank is we can feel air when it dash, bursts, moves, bursts, move. What is the meaning of it? This is break open, and this, so we will write here we can feel air when it dash, when it moves. MOVES, moves. Look at this girl. What is feeling? What is feeling this girl? This girl is feeling air when it is moving. So we can say we can feel air when it moves. Which thing is moving? We are seeing air is moving. So this girl is feeling air is moving. So we can say we can feel air when it moves. Next one is moving air is called dash, wind and sail, 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 WIND, wind, WIND. Wind is written here. What will you write? Moving air is called. Moving air is called. When the air moves, it is called wind. This is wind. Because of moving air, this kite is flying. So we can say moving air is called wind, WIND, wind. So we will write here wind. I am writing here WIND, wind. Next one, third is air takes up dash, food, space. Food, we eat food. Space mean empty area. Space mean empty area. This empty area is filled with air. Look, so what will we write here? Air takes up, we will not write here food. We will write here space. We will write here space. Look at this girl. Which thing this girl is filling in this balloon? This girl is filling air. This girl is filling air. Look at here. This is balloon. The air that you blow fills up the balloon. So we can say air takes up space. So we will write here air takes up space, SPACE. Number 4 is air has dash, length, weight. This is length. This is length. No. What will we write here? We will write here weight. Air has weight. When we fill balloon, we can say balloon has weight. You are seeing this picture. This balloon has weight because of air. Because of air. Next one is number 5th is here. We need air to breathe, eat. We don't eat air, so we will write here we need air to breathe. I am breathing due to air. BREATHE. Number 6 is air helps to dash clothes, wet and dry. Air helps to dash clothes. Which thing you will write here? If the clothes are wet, when you put these clothes on cloth line, we can say air helps to dry clothes. DRY, dry, CLOTHES, clothes. Number 7 is dash is needed for burning. Water, air. Of water is here. Air is needed for burning. Without air, we will not be able to burn anything. After watching activity of burning candle, we will be able, we can write here, dash is needed for burning. Which thing is needed for burning? Definitely air. Air is needed for burning. Next, number 8 is, a dash can damage many things. Which thing can damage? After listening main points and after revising again and again, storm, breeze, which thing can damage? Look at here again. This is, and here is wind is blowing, and here is storm. Which thing is damage? Is which thing can damage? Look at here. We will write here, a storm can damage many things. STORM. Okay, students. After watching this video, you will be able to fill these blanks by yourself. So today you will have to learn these blanks that are given here on page number 71. After learning these blanks that are given here on page number 71, you will have to draw any two things that doesn't use air. If you are, after watching this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.